Hey everyone, my name is Nick. I just wanted to take a moment to speak on my experience with Ibrahim Abawath from the Abawath Real Estate Group. First off, I would just like to say thank you to Ibrahim and everyone from the Abawath Real Estate Group. I just bought a property from them and it was quite an easy way to buy property, right? Ibrahim had great communication. He was able to find me a great property that I can call home with my family, and I'm beyond grateful for working with Ibrahim. I mean, buying a property can be quite stressful, but Ibrahim was able to walk me through all the steps and figure out all the stuff for me. So I'd just like to say, if anyone's out there looking for a real estate agent, I would highly suggest Ibrahim or anyone from the Abawath Real Estate Group. And thanks for everything you guys have done for me. He has great communication. He's really well with finding you what you need, and finding a place to call home can be quite stressful sometimes, but Ibrahim's really calming and he's quick to reply, and he checks all the boxes for real estate agents, guys. So if you are looking for a real estate agent, I would highly suggest anyone from the Abawath Real Estate Group. Thanks a lot, Ibrahim.